Hello guys, so you're welcome back to today's mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC GCE examination. So I have this question to solve in this video. Okay, I have this one to solve for today's mathematics class. So if it's the first time watching my video, do it to subscribe, like, also touch the button in case what we are brand new like this, definitely be the first to notify. So don't miss this class, it's very important. So please share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit from this video. If you have any friend that advise this and call me that write this and call me how WAEC GCE examination, share this video with them. I said me, right guys? I hosting the me class for my VIP students. We are still ongoing on the me class, so that is how me comes to my mind. So let's quickly solve this question. The question said that solve for s if 3s with the power of 3 over 5 equal to 1, and here we have the options. You have the option A, 3, option B, 9, option 27, option C, 27 rather, option D, 81, and option E, 243. How do we attend to this question? If you see this question for the first time, how do we solve this question? So let me quickly get my pen out so we can see what we can do and how we can solve this question together. So let's look at the solution. So let's say we have the solution here. Now, the first thing here to solve for s, let me write the question outside. You have 3 over 3s is power, that's 3 over 5. Okay, everything is equal to 81. Now, how do we solve this question? The first thing to take a look at the question and is this question is under what? Indices. Okay, when you send the question like this, it's under indices. That is what I always say to my VIP student. Whenever you're seeing a question, try to identify the topic of the question because it makes it more easy for you to solve. Because every topic in mathematics has their step-by-step to solve questions. Now, let's quickly dive to it. The first thing to do here, and the first step to do here, whenever I see the kind of expression of like this, if we look at this 3, you have 3 here, it has this s, this power of 4, this power of 3 over 5. And in this part, we have to find the value of s. The first thing to cut your mind is to cancel this 3 here because we are looking for this s. To cancel this, to find the means to cancel this 3 here. So if you look at this 3 is also common to this 81. So definitely we can divide both sides by what? By 3. So that's the first step. So let's divide both sides by 3. Let's see what happened. Divide both sides by 3. So this 3 we cancel this 3 here. So it means that we have our s with power of 3 over 5 equal to, that is 3 here 1, that is 3 in 81, that is 27. Okay, so it means that we have 27 here. Now what is the next thing to do now? The next thing to do is to find the value of s, and imagine s is raised to the power of 3 over 5. Now how do we solve the question like this? So if you don't remember the rules that guys in log indices, you find it difficult to solve a question like this. To solve this question, it's quite very simple. You have to rise, to get the value of s, you have to rise for both sides to the inverse of this power of s. What I mean by this, it means that the inverse of this 3 over 5 is equal to 5 over 3. So then we write this side to raise then we write this part to raise the power of 5 over 3, and also this one to raise the power of what? Of 5 over 3. That is the inverse of 3 over 5. Now that simply means we have our s is power of 3 over 5 divided, everything is also raised into in power of 5 over 3. Inverse of this is to be this, and the same thing is raised in power 5 over 3. Also this part also we raise the power of 5 over 3 also. So that is equal to 27. Also raise the power of what? Of 5 over 3. Now the next thing you have to do here, this 3, if you open this bracket here, this one becomes this, and this 5 becomes this 5. So it means that we have our s already. S to be equal to means we have only s here. Then let's come to this part. In this part, if you still remember, this 27 can also be written as 3 raised to the power of 3. Okay, 27 can give us 27 is also equal to 3 raised to the power of 3 if you want to write it in index form. Why did I write as 3 raised to the power of 3? Because I want to find the means to cancel this word. I want to find the means to cancel this fraction here. And when I find the means to cancel this fraction here, I can see that 27 can also raise the power of what? Of this 3. Okay, we have it. What can I raise to 27 to raise the power of 3 that give you our answer? That means that 3 raised to the power of 3 can give me 27. So it will make it easy for me to find them. So that will be equal to 27 is equal to this. So we have a 3 raised power of 3. Okay, also it's raised power of 5 over 3. Now, if you open the bracket, this cancel, we cancel this. So it means our s now is equal to, that is 5. Okay, sorry. So that means that our s is raised, that means our s is equal to, that is 3 raised power of 5, because it remains only 5 here. This 3 account is 3 here. So if you look at the option is not in index form, it's not in index form. So it means that we can simplify that 3 raised power of 5, that means 3 in multiply instead by what? Instead by 5 times. So 3 raised power of 5, that's equal to 243. That is 3 raised power 5. If you use the calculator, you get 243. So that means, therefore, we have our s is equal to 243. So the answer is equal to 243. So if you look at the option E is the solution to this problem. Option E, so let me try to mark it out for all to see. So this is answer to this question. That is option E is answer to this question. So join us in the next class for more interesting videos like this. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you, and we shall be expecting you in the next video.